Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'm sharing some of my favorite maternity shoot and baby shower outfit ideas. I promise you're going to love these outfits and get some inspiration to create a beautiful and gorgeous outfit for your upcoming photo shoot or baby shower party. I'll be covering a variety of styles, so whether you're looking for something simple and elegant or something more edgy and stylish, I've got you covered. If you're looking for something a little more unique, you'll also see some outfit ideas that incorporate non-traditional maternity clothing. No matter what your style, I'm sure you'll find some outfit inspiration in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Perhaps you might be wondering if maternity photo shoot or a baby shower party is important. Well, maternity photo shoots are a great way to capture this special time in your life. You can choose to do a simple at-home shoot, or you can hire a professional photographer to take your photos in a studio or outdoor location. When choosing an outfit for your maternity photo shoot, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, you want to choose something that is comfortable and flattering for your pregnant body. Secondly, you want to choose something that reflects your personal style. And thirdly, you want to choose something that will look good in photos. Some popular outfit choices for maternity photo shoots include flowy dresses, maxi skirts, and loose-fitting tops. You can also add accessories to your outfit, such as a scarf, necklace, or hat. Let's talk about baby showers. Baby showers are a chance to celebrate the upcoming arrival of your baby with your friends and family. A baby shower party can be casual or formal, and they can be held at home, in a park, or at a restaurant. When choosing an outfit for your baby shower, you may want to choose something that is comfortable and stylish. You also want to choose something that is appropriate for the occasion. If your baby shower is formal, you might want to wear a formal dress or jacket. If your baby shower is casual, you are free to wear anything as long as it's not a formal clothing. No matter what you choose to wear, make sure you feel confident and comfortable in your outfit. After all, this is a special day to celebrate the arrival of your little one.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel. To conclude, maternity photo shoots and baby showers are both special occasions that deserve to be captured while looking your best. By choosing the right outfit, you can make sure that you look your best and that your photos are truly memorable. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. If you're planning a maternity photo shoot or a baby shower and need a beautiful outfit, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Bye for now. See you in my next video. I value you.